everyone. Good afternoon, good morning. We will start now a new video for next examination, which is science. So, in today's video, we will talk about the solar system. So, without wasting time, let's jump on the quiz. Are we
Yep.
ready?
Yep.
Yeah, let's start. Slowly read the question, read the answers, and then see why the correct answer is the correct answer. What can be seen in the sky during the daytime? Moon, no. Sun, yes. Planet, no. Stars, no. The correct answer is sun. What can be seen in the night sky? Only the sun, only the planet, clouds, only moons and star.
Moon and
The
stars.
answer is moon and stars.
Yeah.
Next question is what? A star is
A
a
huge,
planet, comet, a satellite,
huge
or
ball
a
of
huge
burning
ball of
gases.
burning gas. What?
Anyone.
A huge ball of burning gases. A huge ball of burning gases. A huge ball of burning gases. Keep in mind, guys, this is a definition star. It's a huge ball of
Burning gases.
burning gas. What is the second property of a star? A star produces their own water, heat, air, or light.
Light.
They produce their own light. That's nice of you. Okay. A sun is a planet, a star, a moon, or a satellite. A sun is
Star.
a star. A sun is a star. Okay.
Yep.
Next question. Stars are generally
Because in the sun.
smaller than Earth. No. Smaller than moon. No. Same size as Earth. No. That means the correct answer than the Earth because then the sun. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Stars appear tiny. Why? Because they are far away. They are
Yeah.
not small. They are very, very far away. That's why they appear very tiny to you. Okay. They are far away. Okay. The sun appear brighter than other stars. Why? Because it is
Close.
closest to the earth. It is closest to the earth. That's why it appears the sun gives what? Light and heat. The sun gives what? Light and heat. So what all point you are reading, no? Just keep one point. In the examination, you have to write one line. Stars twinkle in the night. You can write in an examination. Star twinkle in the night. So don't read like MCQ question. Read it like one statement. A star twinkle in the night. So one line, one marks. Groups are stars forming patterns are called
Constellations.
constellation. The definition of constellation is what? A group of stars forming patterns are called constellation. Example of constellations are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How many known constellations are there as of now?
88.
As per your book, it's saying 88 constellations are there. As per your book, it is saying 88 constellation is there. Which is the constellation? Earth, Orion, Mars, or Venus?
Huh?
What is the constellation here? Earth, no.
Orion.
Orion. Orion is the constellation.
Yep.
See, all your zodiac sign like Libra, Scorpio, Taurus, Capricorn, Pisces, everything is a constellation. Ursa Major is a constellation. Okay, very good. Orion is again a constellation. Very good. Scorpius it's a sign, right? And it's a constellation. Very good. Ursa Minor is again a constellation. Very good. It's trying to cover constellations are made of what? Clouds are stars. No, a group of star forming patterns are called what? Constellation. Very good. Constellations are beautiful patterns. Yes, very good. Okay, next question. This Ursa Major can be seen in the sky. You can see the Ursa Major in the sky. Okay. A planet revolves around what? A planet revolves around what? Tell me.
Star.
Star. Okay. Next question. The path of planet is called orbit. The path of planet is called what?
Orbit.
Orbit. Okay. The planets have their own light.
False.
False. No. Planet do not have their own light. Only star has their own light. Okay.
And sun.
Planet reflects the light received from Earth, satellite, moon, or stars. The planet reflects the light received from stars. Okay. Next question. There are how many planets in the solar system?
8.
Don't get confused. Sometimes you get confused with 9. Okay. It's 8. Planets are bigger than sun, smaller than sun, same size than sun, and larger than star.
Smaller than sun.
The correct answer is smaller than sun. Okay. The solar system has sun only, planet only, moon only, and it's a combination of all.
Sun.
You can also add galaxy here, sun, planet, satellite, and galaxies. Okay. The sun is at the center. Very good. And the next question. Every planet moves in a fixed orbit. Every planet moves in a fixed orbit. Which is not a planet.
Orion.
Orion is not a planet. Why? Because it's a constellation.
Yeah.
Okay. A satellite revolves around planet. Maulik, planet is the correct answer. Don't make mistake.
Mistake we best.
Yeah, okay. Naturally occurring satellite are called
Natural satellite.
natural satellites. Okay. The moon is Earth, planet, a
Natural-
star, or it's
natural
artificial. It's a natural satellite. Very good.
Yeah.
Then human-made satellites are called what? Artificial satellites. Okay. Satellites have their own light. False. No, satellite do not have their own light. Satellite reflects what?
Light.
Light. Very good. A planet can have no satellite, two satellite, one more. What is the correct answer?
More than one satellite.
More than one satellite. Okay. For example, Earth have Mercury has how many satellites?
No moon.
Mercury has no moon. Mercury has no moon. Okay. What about Venus has?
Venus has no moon.
Venus also have no moon. Very good.
Yeah.
What about which planet has no natural satellite?
Mercury.
Mercury has no natural satellite. Okay. Which planet is nearest to the sun? Of course, it's Mercury.
Yep.
Mercury is the dash planet in the solar system. It is the
Smallest.
smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury experiences very high temperature during night, daytime, winter, or what time? Are the correct answer? Daytime. Mercury experiences very high temperature during daytime. Mercury experiences very high temperature when during daytime. At night, Mercury becomes what?
Very cold.
Very cold. Very good. Now, Mercury complete one revolution in about
88 days.
yeah, it's the fastest planet. Like it will complete in 88 days only. Okay. Mercury has how many satellites? Zero natural satellite. Okay. Which statement about Mercury is correct? It has closest planet to the sun. Correct. Which planet complete the year fastest? Mercury, because it is the fastest planet. Okay. Mercury is a planet. Go slow, Maulik. Which planet comes after Mercury? Venus comes after Mercury. That's correct. Venus is the third or second? Second planet from the sun. Very good. Which planet is the hottest? Venus is the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. Venus is often seen just before sunrise. Okay. Venus is seen just before the sunrise. Venus takes about
687.
no Maulik
How?
225. Okay. Don't make mistake. Okay.
Venus.
The morning star is another name for Venus. Okay. Earth occupies which position from the sun? Third. Very good. Which planet supports life? Earth. Very good. Approximately what percent of Earth's surface is water? 70%. Very good. The nickname blue planet refers to Earth. Very good. The Earth has one moon. Very good. One Earth year is approximately 365 days. Earth is not a star. It's a planet. It's a home to life. Which planet is known for ocean and life? Earth. Earth have ocean and life.
Yeah.
Earth lies between whom?
Venus and Mars.
Venus and Mars. Very good. Which object regularly revolve around Earth? Moon. That's correct answer. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Okay. Next question. Which planet is commonly known as red planet? Mars is known as the red planet. Mars possesses two moons. Okay. Mars have two moons. A Martin year is about 687 these. Okay. Which planet is covered with red dust? Mars. Mars is covered with the red dust. You made two questions wrong. That's why you got two question wrong answer. Okay. That's it, guys. Try to see this video again and again. You will learn a very important concept about solar system. We will make more video later. Bye bye. चलो पुस्तक लाओ, पुस्तक लाओ, पुस्तक लाओ, फटाक करके पुस्तक लाओ.